In today's video, we're taking a look at 3 of the best app uninstaller apps for Android. If your device is cluttered with unused apps and you're looking for an easy way to manage them, these tools are here to help. Let's dive in and explore what each app has to offer. App Uninstall List VE Recovery. App Uninstall List VE Recovery is a practical app designed to help users manage their installed applications easily. This app provides a simple and organized list of all installed apps, allowing users to quickly see which apps are taking up space on their device. With just a tap, users can uninstall apps they no longer need. One unique feature is the recovery option, which allows users to restore uninstalled applications, making it helpful if a user accidentally removes an app they want back. The user-friendly interface and efficient functionality make App Uninstall List VE Recovery a go-to choice for app management. Uninstaller for Android. Uninstaller for Android is a straightforward and effective app designed specifically for removing unwanted applications from your device. It features a clear and organized layout, displaying all installed apps in one place for easy access. Users can uninstall multiple apps simultaneously, saving time and effort. The app also allows users to view app details, including storage usage and installation dates, making it easier to decide which apps to remove. With its simple interface and effective batch uninstall feature, Uninstaller for Android is perfect for users looking to declutter their devices quickly. Revo Uninstaller. Revo Uninstaller is a powerful app uninstaller that provides advanced features for managing applications on Android devices. Known for its thorough uninstall process, it not only removes the selected apps, but also scans for any leftover files or data that may remain after uninstallation. Users can choose between standard and advanced uninstall methods, ensuring a clean removal based on their needs. Additionally, Revo Uninstaller offers an intuitive interface and options for batch uninstalling, helping users save time. It's particularly useful for users who want to ensure that no remnants are left behind after their apps are removed. Thanks for watching our video on the best app uninstaller apps for Android. We hope these recommendations make it easier for you to manage your applications and free up space on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.